am in Lexington, Kentucky, and behind me is the Kentucky for Kentucky Fun Mall. Now, there is a great legend of the Bluegrass State inside this building, and that is Cocaine Bear. A bear that ate $15 million worth of cocaine. He's taxidermied in there. Let's go check this out. This area of Lexington is kind of like Fountain Square in Indianapolis. And this is the Kentucky for Kentucky Fun Mall. Not sure who that is. This is the taxidermied body of Cocaine Bear. Let me tell you the tragic yet kind of hilarious tale behind him. In 1985, Andrew Carter Thornton II, the son of a wealthy horse breeding family in the Lexington area, was smuggling millions of dollars worth of cocaine in a small airplane, and the duffel bags of cocaine were dropped in the North Georgia mountains at certain locations. Thornton later bailed out of the plane, hit his head on the tail of the aircraft, wasn't able to pull his parachute, and was found dead on a driveway in Knoxville, Tennessee. Whoever was supposed to get the cocaine in its drop location didn't. One of the bags was never found, and then a bear stumbled upon it, and he consumed the entire bag of cocaine, about 76 pounds worth, over $15 million. So that's when literally every organ failure happened to the bear. He probably also had quite a trip, and then the bear died. And this was about 3 months after it was dropped. He was then stuffed, been in several different locations. At one point he was owned by country music star Waylon Jennings. In 2015, the owners of this store purchased him from a Chinese herbalist in Reno, Nevada. Don't do drugs, kids. And they have Cocaine Bear t-shirts. Do I get one? The owners have also been trying to lobby the Kentucky legislature to change the lame state motto to Kentucky Kicks Ass, which I fully support. I really appreciate that this store has a bunch of quirky random things along with Cocaine Bear, and they are usually related to Kentucky in some way. Of course, here's some Colonel Sanders memorabilia. A map of the wondrous state of Kentucky. I still have a lot to get to. This building is inside a former parachute factory. An old flatbed truck being driven by an alien. It has a photo of Fat Elvis in the back. An old skee ball machine. Now take note, this is the perfect quirky tourist shop. Alright, that was Cocaine Bear and Kentucky for Kentucky. That is one of the coolest stores I've ever been to. And seeing Cocaine Bear, the legend himself, very awesome. Of course, I got myself a t-shirt. I can't wear it at school or anything, but gotta have it. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, I have a lot of other videos at roadside attractions. If you like that sort of thing, then please subscribe, and thanks for watching.